Hello, everybody. Hello. We're checking in with Lily's babies. I just brought everybody out to clean up the nest. And I hear it's International Cat Day today, so seems like a good time to check in with the littles. These guys are about 3 weeks old. Hi. How you doing back there? And they're just starting to get really interested in coming out of the bed. Hi. We got whiskers for days on these little ones. Whiskers for days. Hmm? What are you doing? Just flopping over here? I think we're going to name this brood of babies all after types of lilies. And we haven't decided on the names yet. Oh, hi. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. But I think this one's going to be tiger lily. So silly. Hi, silly. You were an innocent bystander back there. Yeah, you were. They're all distinctly different. We're starting to play in a very wobbly and disjointed kind of way. Hi, what are you doing? Playing? You gonna get that foot? Rawr. He's gonna roar. And you're interested in coming out, huh? What do you think? Oh, you have the wonderful mustache. We'll see if we can see your mustache. Oh, no. Going back. Back. Gotta go play. Can we see your wonderful mustache? You almost got a handlebar mustache. A white mustache on the bottom of his cheeks. Very cute. I think everybody's distinctly different. Like the last set, there were a few that were hard to tell apart, but these guys are all different. Different color. Hi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Unsure. The answer is always unsure. Mm. Mhm. Oh, are you going to get my finger? I got. Yeah, I got. It's wrestle time in the bed now. We're having wrestle time in a couple different quadrants. What about you guys back here? It's the smallest wrestling matches. Yeah. I really like this early play phase because they barely know where their bodies are. And yet, and yet, Well, I wasn't expecting to record such a big wrestling match, but I guess we just lucked out. Yeah, I guess we just lucked out. It's playtime. You going out? Sounds like I'm ready to get out. I'm ready to get away from this wrestling. They're almost big enough to be uncontainable. Almost, but not quite. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Mostly falling over. We have an explorer over here. No, we've decided against exploring. What are you doing? Just trying to figure out which parts of your body goes where? Yeah, trying to figure it out. Hi. How about you? Look at those blue eyes. Oh, so cute. All babies start with blue eyes. And, some of them will keep their blue eyes, but most of them will change. Although mama has blue eyes. So these kiddos could have blue eyes. Blue is not the most common color for cats. Yellow and green are pretty common. But I wonder if this little tiger lily down here, this little dude, is going to keep those blues. They're so blue. Hey, your eyes are so blue. Yeah, you know. Yeah, this one's also got pretty startlingly blue eyes. Hi, can we see your eyes? Yeah, they're pretty blue too. Hi, you're upside down. You don't even know what upside down means. Yeah, what is that? I don't know. Yeah, what are you doing back here? Just getting cleaned up, cleaning those little white paws. Yeah, cleaning the little white paws. This little dude with the mustache who keeps trying to escape, he's got one black toe. You almost could see it. There it is. He's got one black toe. Can I see your toes? I know it's hard in a writhing pile of kittens. It's like, no, I need to climb on top of people right now. Can I see your toes? Look at those little toes. He's got one little black set of toes. What are you doing? You're upside down. Oh, hi. Are you looking up at me? Hello. Hey. No, we've caught a very active moment with these little guys. I have not inspected to see how many boys and girls we have, although it looked to me like Tiger Lily was a boy. Still a little small to know for sure. There are 6. Hi. Are you coming out? Let's see. With your little spot toes? What are you thinking about? No, you're gonna dig? Well, okay, you can try. Where that gets you. Hey. I like this little guy's stripes. He's got little skunk stripes on his nose. Just kitty pandemonium. They are all still very small, as you can see by comparison to my hand. They're very small. The cuteness is entirely combustible. It's true. The older kittens, we still have 4 of the older kittens here. I would say that they're a little jealous that they're not getting the attention right now. Are you a little jealous? Let's see what it says. What do you think? Are you a little jealous? Look how big you are. Yes. And who's this? It's Roof. Hi, honey. Gosh, they get so big. Mama's doing great. She's enjoying a little bit of baby free time in the enclosure right now. She is doing good. She needs to put on some weight. Mama came to us pretty skinny. Hi, where are you going? That's a pretty far edge there. Where are you going? Hi, think you better stay in there. These are the ones that we just named Mama, Lily, the snowshoe Siamese mix. This one is super fluffy. I don't know if you can see how fluffy she is, but she's so soft and fluffy. Where you go? Are you coming out? She's unsure. Oh, officially escaped. Escapee from the container. Hi, where are you going back there? Come here. Like, I don't know, but I'm immediately going to get in trouble. Immediately. Yeah, sorry, I put you back in. Yeah, she's very fluffy. I think she's going to end up being a medium hair. A couple of them are kind of fluffy, fluffier than the others. Mama is probably a short hair. So you must have had some fluffier dads. Did you have a fluffy dad? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. What do you guys think? What do you think, Prue? Bigger kittens are getting so big. I don't have them combined right now. These guys are just out because I was cleaning them up and cleaning up their whole bed here. Oh, yeah. See what's on that side? Not everyone has given up on the wrestling, but a few have. My mom is doing great. All right. Time to get these babies back in their enclosure with mom. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys again soon.